Over the last couple months, the crypto market and more importantly XRP has just continually been trending downward. Now this comes as a shocking surprise, especially with all the hype that was revolving around XRP and the crypto industry, as many people had predicted it would increase thousands of percentages. But here we are today on the beginning of July, seeing an all-time low of 32 cents per Ripple XRP coin. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the exact reasoning as to why Ripple XRP is trending downwards, is making all-time lows, and of course, the entire crypto markets crash as of earlier this quarter of year. That being said, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel with post notifications on, and let's get right into it. The month was May, more specifically the beginning of May. May was a big turning stone for the entire crypto market. In this couple weeks, we've seen the crypto market go from, enthusiastic, doing quite well, to a drastic crash. And one of the main things that triggered the crash was another cryptocurrency, in fact, one of the biggest cryptocurrencies at the time, Terra Luna. Terra Luna Classic now was one of the biggest coins out there with a high price of $117 per crypto coin. The market cap had also hit highs of 41 billion. This is actually huge, especially in a crypto market that has less than a market cap of 2 trillion. Having almost 50 billion is significant. The real issue began with UST, also known as Luna Terra. Now, Luna Terra and Terra Luna are used interchangeably since one is backed by the other. Terra Luna, now known as Lunacy, was actually supposed to be the cryptocurrency that is backing UST. Let me give you guys a bit of an overview, as this can get quite confusing. Terra Luna first released as a normal cryptocurrency. After doing so well, they decided they'd release their own US-pegged coin to ensure stability and, of course, to allow the company to evolve. They released something that's called UST. UST is what you see right here. It's a cryptocurrency that is supposed to be equivalent to $1 no matter how the market progresses. And the way that this company decided to do it was, since Terra Luna was doing so well, was at about $100, they decided that they would go ahead and say for every one person that buys $1 worth of UST, rather than back it by gold or an actual US dollar, they put the equivalent of $1 in Terra Luna, which was actually valued at $100. This actually meant that they didn't have a physical USD dollar in exchange for when somebody bought. That they were hoping that if something were to ever happen that would unpeg UST from the US dollar, it would be able to come back and back it up by going ahead and selling some of their Luna coin and just buying back into UST. Now this was a complete disaster. Only a couple days before the entire market crash, and more specifically the Luna and UST crash, a hacker was able to hack into the UST system and unpeg the UST dollar from the United States dollar. And this is where things really went downhill. People had invested millions and millions of dollars into UST, as it was bringing them an annual interest of over 30%, which is relatively high. So you had all these people that are investing in UST or just holding their money in UST to get an annual yield of 30%. Now that it broke away from the dollar, we're panicking. A lot of people decided to sell, and that caused the UST coin to struggle even more, as it was now plummeting faster and faster. And this is another mistake caused by the main company. What did they decide to do to re-peg it back in was go ahead and sell off all of their, or as many as they could, of their Luna shares that was supposedly backing UST. That caused Lunacy to crash as well. Now keep in mind, Lunacy was the host of the company. The company originated with Lunacy, and that is what people were trusting. And so the more the company was selling off its shares, the more it caused people to panic, the more it crashed as well. This caused not just UST to crash, but Lunacy to crash as well. And from then on, people just completely lost trust in the company and in crypto. The biggest issue with Lunacy was that it was a $100 coin. Keep in mind, if this was a meme coin and it crashed, people would have been fine. It would have not really impacted the market. But the fact that Lunacy was a $100 coin and it was quite trusted meant that a lot of those multi-millionaires, in fact billionaires, had bought into this coin and had lost money. Then, when it reached into the double digits, $10, it let those normal millionaires buy in. And the thing is, this coin never went back up. People were buying in from every single level. If you were a billionaire, you bought in when it was $100, it crashed to 90, you thought it was going to go back up, you bought in more, it crashed to 80, and then if you were a multi-millionaire, once it got into those $10, you were buying in thinking it was going to recover, and it didn't recover. It even reached lows of $1, bringing the middle class to buy in, and once again collapsed. At the cents mark, people bought in once again, thinking it would, if it's a penny, it has to recover to $1, and it didn't recover. And that caused the regular people to crash. So basically, Lunaterra caused the crash of every single tier of humanity. If you're a broke person, you bought into it at a penny thinking it was going to go to 2, and it didn't, and it lost you money. If you were a billionaire, you bought it at $100, and you lost money. This was devastating. And that is exactly what caused a terrific ripple, and terrific, I mean a bad, terrifying ripple in the crypto market. People just decided to sell off all their coin. They had completely lost trust in crypto because they lost thousands, if not millions of dollars in Terra Classic and UST. And since, of course, UST was labeled as a stable coin, people completely lost trust in the crypto market because they automatically linked crypto with Terra Luna. And if Terra Luna could crash this quick in a matter of 2 days, go from $100 to 0.00001, then any crypto could do the same. And this caused a massive panic sell. In addition to this, with significantly high inflation rates, people were really scared and decided to once again sell off their shares. This overall caused the market to plummet, and as of now, it's a continuous plummet that we are going to continue on seeing. Even things like Ripple XRP didn't have the chance to revolve or get resuscitated from this crash. It completely dipped with all the other coins and hit its all-time lows of 32 cents. Now the big question is the market going to ever recover from this? And my answer is probably yes, but it is going to take some time. People have lost trust in Terra Luna with high interest rates, high inflation, everybody's scared. Nobody wants to invest whatever money they have left or whatever little money they have left into something that they've now seen crashed. Now we can expect it to recover when? This is quite debatable. You can say in a couple of years, but the real answer is when the market recovers. Once you see XRP, Bitcoin, all those go back green, and even if it doesn't go back green, as long as the world economics are doing quite well, like there's high job rates, high paying jobs, the economies are doing well, you don't see inflation rates the way they are, you don't see interest rates skyrocketing, this is when people will start to trust the investments again and go back into crypto. But as of now, I don't see it happening in the near future as everything is skyrocketing. We're seeing our money worth less, interest rates hitting the sky, and of course, things costing a lot more. That's the end of today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Let me know your thoughts down below. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.